The new one-conductor female connector with a lever for our PCB connector system MCS Mini provides simple, fast and safe field wiring of devices. Because devices are installed globally, the operation is intuitive. As a point of connection may have difficult access, it's a pluggable connector suitable for handheld wiring in the unplugged condition, tool-free with a lever. It's very compact, however powerful, with a pin spacing of 3.5 mm, a rated current of 10 amps and a height of 10 mm only. It offers a universal push-in cage clamp for all type of conductors, flexible or solid, and will accept metric conductors from 0.14 to 1.5 square millimeter or American wire gauge connectors from gauge 26 to gauge 14. Solid conductors or flexible conductors with ferrules can be pushed in directly.